Hello makers, in this video I'll be doing a unboxing of a One by Wacom. This is a sort of like a pen tablet, a digitizer is the correct term I believe. The box is actually quite nice, it feels quite sturdy. There's a nice simple set of instructions in the lid, which I can't quite get into the camera up the right way. That basically says connect the USB cable to a computer and use it. To get it out, there's a little tab we can grab hold of and lift it out. It's nice and simple. There's even room to write your name on it. It's all very well wrapped up, so I'll just put that to one side for now. In the box we have a pen, or a stylus is the correct term, 2 buttons on it plus the tip. I've actually used these before. Usually the tip is your left, equivalent to a left mouse button, the bottom button's equivalent to the middle button, and the top one equivalent to a right mouse button. We've got a USB cable and inside some spare nibs and a tool to remove the nibs from the pen. And we have a little box, well it's not even a box, but this contains the instructions and the usual regulatory information. And that's everything that's in the box. It's actually a good sturdy box. So move that out of the way. The instructions are very simple. It shows a list of the contents, which I have. It says connect it to the computer. A light will come on. There are USB ports on the side here, and then it works. It says here you must install the driver. On the other side it shows how to remove the nib using the little tool that they provide, and how to insert a new one. And there's provision for a pen holder. How's this open? I see. More plastic wrapping. So that'll be our pen holder there. It's lightweight, it's very nice looking. Nice rubber feet so it doesn't run away on your desk. And a USB port. So we'll unwrap the cable. And connect it in. Okay, I have a light. When the pen gets into close proximity, the light comes on, and I now have a working mouse pointer. So I'll change to a different screen and we'll see how it works. Okay, in order to use the Wacom One most effectively, it does run as a mouse by default with the default installed drivers, but to get the best out of it we need to install the proper drivers. For that we need to go to the Wacom website, wacom.com. There we can go to products find our pen tablets and One by Wacom. From there we can scroll down to getting started or get started, and then on that page scroll down to download and install and save. Once that's finished downloading, simply run the application that's downloaded, and when it's finished downloading we can then run the software. It does require you do a restart after installing the drivers, so we will do that and I will be back in a short time. Okay, now that I've rebooted the computer, we can now open the Wacom tablet properties. Now, for those of you who are not aware, I do have multiple monitors running, and of course it never opens on the monitor that you're using for recording. So with this we can now use the entire area of the monitor. What we have got the ability to do is checking the pressure points. We can map the screen, the pen, to a particular monitor. And now I can control using that monitor. You can also set up for the entire virtual desktop, which covers all monitors you may have installed, in my case 3 of them, or you can set it up for just a single monitor. So I've now set it up for one of the smaller monitors, which gives me HD recording ability. Tablet area full. I haven't explored the portion yet. So you can actually disable a section of it from being used, although I'm not sure why you would want to do that. It is available. There are some additional options that you can add. Some of the earlier model tablets didn't have as high a sensitivity or resolution on the pen tip. So when you were pushing on the pen tip, these things actually sense how hard you're pushing. And you can configure the left and right mouse button, or the top and bottom buttons, for right click and any other shortcut available. And there's actually quite a few. So you can actually use it to open an application. That's handy. Sketchpad. So I'll learn more about Sketchpad later, I think. I think that about covers all there is to know about the Wacom pen. It is actually easy to use. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, click on like, and don't forget to ring the notification bell. Google believes that you would be interested in these videos, so follow those for more of my content, and I'll see you in the next video.